Welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wanted to find where a shared link came from in your WhatsApp chats, this update is going to make your life easier. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to go to the original message from shared links on WhatsApp Web. It's a super handy feature that saves time and effort, especially when you're looking for context behind a link someone sent. Let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by heading to your browser and logging in with the QR code as usual. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a media icon in the side menu. Click on that. Now, a new panel will open showing three main categories: media, documents, and links. These help you sort everything that's been shared in your chats. For today, we're interested in links, so go ahead and select links. Here, you'll find a clean list of every link that's been shared in that chat, whether it's a website, a YouTube video, or an article. Scroll through and find the one you want to locate in the conversation. When you've found the link you're looking for, simply right-click on it. A small menu will appear with a few options. Among them, you'll now see a new one called Go to Message. Click on Go to Message, and just like that, WhatsApp Web will instantly take you to the exact message in the chat where that link was originally shared. You'll see who sent it, when it was shared, and the context around it. No more scrolling endlessly through long conversations. And that's it, quick, simple, and efficient. This new update makes managing shared content a lot smoother, helping you keep track of all those links without losing your place in the chat. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with someone who might need it. And check out more tips to get the most out of WhatsApp Web. Thanks for watching.